guys, welcome to my channel. So today you should have started off watching Taslima Maya Art. After Tazzy, you have Sweet Wombat, Darren Nixon from Venom Fluid Art. After him, you're here with me, Creations by Christy. After me, you have Shannon Baxman with ShanB Fluid Art. After Shannon, you have Sis or Bubbles from Venom Fluid Art. And after her, you have Hippy Dippy Painterman and sometimes my lovely Sis Cat. Alright, so I have got my pillow paint down, which is an off color. It was a mist tint from Sherwin-Williams Color to Go. It's in like a dark grayish blue color. I think I'm just going to do a bloom. I'm going to put some colors down and I'm going to play some music and let you guys watch.
Walking hand in hand on the ocean floor, down deep we wander. Louder we sing, no there is no cure in this together. I don't wanna tell you that it's not real. Nothing is a fairy tale. Everything about you is so unreal. It won't be pretty when it ends. Now how could I leave with your sweet love on me? Yeah, yeah. Something about you always makes it harder. When you got my lipstick on your white shirt collar.
Alright guys, I am going to pick this up and put this up on something and then wipe off the drips and all that good stuff. And then I might do a few little modifications and then I'll bring you guys down for a close-up. Meanwhile, we'll just play some more music. Alright guys, I'm going to bring you guys down for a close-up. Alright guys, here she is with the light on. Tell me what you think in the comments. If you like what you see, please like, share, and hit that subscribe button. Ring the notification bell if you don't want to miss out on any of my new videos as they're released. I think she's really pretty. Something simple, and just I kind of did some modifications to help out the parts I didn't like. Alright, I'm going to bring you down with the light off. Alright guys, here she is with the light off. I think she turned out really pretty. I'm happy with it. Up next is Shannon Baxman with ShanB Fluid Art. Then we have Sis with Venom Fluid Art, and then the Hippy Dippy Painterman, and maybe Cat. So don't go anywhere. Love you guys. See you next time. Bye.